Muscle Contour here, and today we're taking a look at this Bissell Garage Pro wall mount vacuum. And you can see I've gone ahead and mounted it securely here in my garage, and I've gone ahead and put the hose holder right next to it right here. And here's how you clean out the tank at the bottom. First, I'm going to go ahead and remove this hose, just like that. And there's clamps on either side. And look how easy that is. That's it right here. And I can go ahead and clean this out and then put it right back up. This device right here is a sensor to see if the tank is full of water, and it will alert you if the water reaches this level here. Now, I didn't realize this at first, but the canister holding area at the bottom is actually clear, and so you can see when it needs to be cleaned out. Let me go ahead and turn it on. Now, one of the main reasons I bought this product is that it has a 32-foot long hose, and so I could really go a long way from where it's stationed in the garage. It's sort of like a giant snake. Way out here. Here's a look at the accessories that come with the product. All kinds of little attachments, and I'll probably use this one the most. It's sort of a crevice tool, and hook this tube up here. This is a bag that is used to hold the various accessories. Oh, one more accessory. I didn't know that was in there. And if you really want to clean up your garage, you could use the crevice tool. Let's give it a try, see how it works. So overall, I absolutely love this product. I've been waiting to buy this for some time and finally broke down and purchased it. A great decision. As always, if you have any questions on this review, please post a note and I'll do my best to answer your question. Thanks for watching, everybody.